Hi, welcome back. I'm Richard Painter. So we're on with this video anyway, as you can tell by the title, no doubt. The VW bay window, the one that we were doing the bottom half on, is all done. Hopefully getting picked up tomorrow. I will have a video outside of it, and a walk around so you can see it better outside. But I thought it looks nice in here, so I'll just show you in here as well. See what you think. I know I've said it 15 times already, but I'm hoping the colour shows up better outside. So basically what we've done is we've got new wing mirrors, new indicators, tyres, the wheels have been done. Hopefully you can hear me there, the microphone's the other way. So the wheels have been done in like anthracite grey or a dark grey, metallic, that type of thing. They were powder coated. They were all flaking underneath the clear coat and stuff like that, so they get acid dipped, blasted and powder coated, so it's a better option. Plus the customer wanted new tyres all round, and then the company we use, they just take the tyres off for us and we pick them back up basically with it all done. We do paint wheels ourselves, but these were so far gone, it's just so much easier for them to have them dipped and stuff like that, so that's why we've gone down there. So very little new stuff, just tyres, new front indicators, new wing mirrors, purely because they were knackered and they needed doing. So now we've tidied up the whole thing. So we've polished the white, the upper half, just mopped it just to clean it all off, cleaned off all the rubbers, and I'll stop waffling and I'll show you around it. So some of your eagle-eyed people, it used to have a tow bar on. We've taken that off because it's not used very often. Same as most tow bars, they end up in your shin if you're not careful, so we've just taken it off for now. Customer doesn't really use it, so that was the option of that. So you can see we've just been there we go. It's all nice and clean now. Oh, what have I got down there? Should have brought a little cloth for me. There we go. Bit of compound. See, we'll know better outside, so we'll know later in this video. I'm just showing you around quickly for now. But let me know in the comments what you think about the colour combination, because I think it looks brilliant, I do. That darker wheel with that green, it looks really nice. Which hopefully outside it will show as green, because it looks a bit blue on this camera. Again, no indicators. So a usual thing when we're building it back up, there's a handful of stuff that's missing, there's a handful of stuff that's rotten. If I stand there, can you see me now? There we go. I've got a light right above my head. So there's a handful of stuff that's rotten, there's a handful of stuff that was missing. So you'll notice on the front here, they're all stainless screws. There's nothing worse in my opinion. People put mild steel screws in and the rust just runs down them and it looks disgusting. For how much extra these cost, it's literally pence. Just a little thing like that makes a massive difference, and then you won't see that rusty mark down in the future. So what I've got to do is put it on charge for tonight, because it hadn't moved for a week or so. a week or two, sorry. About a week, to be honest. So yeah, I'm going to bang it on charge, get it organised, and then hopefully in the morning we'll get it out. I'll walk around again just to show you, get some natural light on it. Hopefully it's a bit late now, so yeah, and I'll see you later in the video and all that good stuff. Bye for now. Alright, got the van outside now so we can have a look, see what we think. Some people will love that noise, some people will not like that noise. A rattly engine. Right, so yeah, it's all painted. I'll walk you around the rest of it in a minute. All painted, we're just double checking it outside. Got all the glass clean, all the paintwork clean, everything checked. Customer's not coming for a day or two, so we're going to park it in the back room, leave it on charge. When we know they're coming, we'll have a quick sort of double check round it, take it back off charge. Yeah, it's turned out nice, this one. We've only done the bottom half for those people that don't know. The rest of the will be in the playlist somewhere. So we've only done the bottom half, a few little bits of welding and a colour change. Now it still looks blue on this camera outside, but I can assure you it's definitely a turquoisey green. So I think I've already showed you earlier on in the video. If I have, I apologise, that was a few days ago. So the wheels are done. Which I think suits the colour, and hopefully the customer likes him, because she hasn't seen him yet. So let's have a look around this side. So you'll see on that white bit just there, actually, if you remember, that's where the aerial used to be. So we've welded that up, we've painted that corner out, and along the roof rail, I'll come back actually, along here, we've just painted these down that side where they've had a roof rack on there. It all scratched and stuff like that, so we've sorted that out as well, just to tidy it up. And that was it really. It's actually a tidy van. It should be, I suppose, because it's fairly new, this one. It's a Brazilian import, apparently, or a Brazilian. Can't remember how it was. Can't remember what they said now, but it's one of them anyway. Brazilian one. The other side would be there now. One of them anyway. So it's actually pretty good for a change. Some of these that we do, some aren't too bad, some are just terrible. Take a long time to do. This one hasn't taken too long. Sensible budget, so we could spend a sensible amount of time making sure everything's right and all the inside's done. So I'll walk you around it again, and that's it. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and all that wonderful stuff, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.